Ever tried recording an important call on your Samsung phone only to realize the call recording option is missing? It's a common issue, and the good news is you can usually fix it in just a few quick steps. Let's walk through them so you can get call recording working again. First, open the phone app on your Samsung device. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. Look for an option called Wi-Fi calling. If it's turned on, go ahead and switch it off. This feature can sometimes interfere with call recording. After turning it off, check to see if the call recording option has returned. If it's still not there, don't worry. We'll try another fix. Swipe down, open the main settings, scroll to apps, and tap it. Now, tap the search icon, type phone, and select it from the results. Tap Force Stop to close any background processes that may be causing the issue. Then, go into storage and select Clear Data, followed by Delete to confirm. This resets the phone app's cached data, which often brings the call recording feature back. Still not showing? There's one last step worth trying. Go back to Settings, scroll to General Management, and tap Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this doesn't erase your personal data, apps, or accounts. It simply refreshes system settings that may be blocking the call recording feature. Once the reset is complete, check again. If none of these solutions work, your specific Samsung model or software version may have restrictions, so contacting Samsung support is your best next step. I hope this helped you get your call recording option back up and running. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And if this tutorial saved your day, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.